Come back. Endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction, the reaction in which the heat is absorbed or the temperature is going to be decreased. Heat is absorbed. Okay. Combustions are the exothermic reaction because the heats are evolved in this reaction. But in endothermic reaction, what is happening? The heat is absorbed while the reaction takes place. Is it clear? See, there are examples. Endothermic reaction. Nitrogen is there, oxygen is there, both are gases, they are diatomic. Gas is written here, gas is written here. They are absorbing heat. That's why it is written our left hand side. Is it clear? In the exothermic reaction, the heat and energy symbol or spelling, it was written our right hand side in the product side. Okay, and in the reactant side, when the heat it is written, it means that it is a endothermic reaction. All the decomposition reactions are endothermic reaction. Clear? So nitrogen and oxygen, when they are going to combine, see, this is not very easy to combine the nitrogen and oxygen. They needs the very much high temperature. 3000 degrees Celsius temperature they need it, then only they are going to convert into the nitrogen monoxide. Okay, then they are forming the gas nitrogen monoxide. Is it clear? During this reaction, what is happening? They are absorbing the heat and then only they are giving us the product. Same thing when the calcium carbonate is absorbing the heat. What does it happening? They are giving calcium oxide along with the carbon dioxide, and this calcium oxide are in a solid form and the carbon dioxide is in a gaseous form. So along with these two examples, we can understand that the heat it is written, sometime energy it is written, sometime heat energy also it is written. So in short way, if it is written with along with the reactants, so these all are endothermic reactions, and when the heat energy etc., when it is written along with the product side, so it means they are exothermic reaction. Is it clear? Endothermic, what does it mean? Heat is evolved, and exothermic heat evolved, and endothermic heat is absorbed. Understood? There is a last informative thing we are going to study about the balancing equation, that is to indicate condition under which the reaction takes place. Okay, in which the condition the reaction takes place, whether we provided heat, whether it undergoes distillation, whether it undergoes sublimation, what is it that whether we are providing the temperature to it, all these conditions, in which condition the reaction takes place, that we are going to study. Here is was example, that is potassium chlorate. It is given, it is in a solid form. Now this is the symbol of the delta. This delta means heat. Delta is standing for the heat, and this manganese dioxide, it is present here as a catalyst. Now what do you mean by the catalyst? See, catalyst. Catalyst is such a substance, its function is to carry out the reaction. ठीक है, मतलब ये एक ऐसे कैटलिस्ट उसे कहते हैं जो रिएक्शन कंप्लीट करने में मदद करता है. अंडरस्टूड? They are not that much this is not that much capable. That's why we are providing the heat, along with we are providing their manganese dioxide. It means this catalyst is helping us to complete this reaction, to carry out the reaction. Did you understand the function of the catalyst? Now what does it happen? It gives the potassium chloride. It gives potassium chloride as a product and liberating the oxygen. Understood? This potassium chlorate, when we are providing the heat and gives the catalyst, and they gives the potassium chloride along with the oxygen gas. Same thing you see, methanol. Methanol is manufacturing from the कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड. ओके, मिथेनॉल जो है वो किससे फॉर्म होता है? कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड से. नाउ दिस कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड इट इज देयर इन अ गैसियस फॉर्म. When the carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas is going to combine at the 300 degrees Celsius or 300 atmospheric temperature, atmospheric pressure if it is given, this ATM stands for atmospheric pressure, 300 degrees Celsius atmospheric, this is the temperature. Zinc oxide plus this one, it is standing as a catalyst. They are working as a catalyst which is helping us to complete the reaction. when the carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas is going to be react, they are giving the methanol, understood, in a liquid form. Is it clear? So this is the simple. And one more thing, the photosynthesis is need the sunlight. Without sunlight, the photosynthesis reaction never be takes place. And the pigment which is present in the leaf, that is chlorophyll, these two things are very important for the completion of the photosynthesis reaction. See here, carbon dioxide is there, water is there, above the arrow sunlight and chlorophyll it is given there. They are giving glucose in aqueous form and oxygen is also there. In the exothermic reaction for the respiration, if we put the reverse arrow, ये प्रोडक्ट को रिएक्टेंट बनाओ, रिएक्टेंट को प्रोडक्ट बनाओ, रिएक्शन क्या मिलेगी आपको? रेस्पिरेशन वाली रिएक्शन मिलेगी. एंड इन एंडोथर्मिक व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? वी आर रिवर्सिंग, कीपिंग द changing the place of these things. It means it undergoes the condition reaction. In short, हमें क्या सीखना है? In which condition the reaction is takes place? Whatever the information written on the arrow, whether it is delta, whether it is heat symbol given, whatever the catalyst are written there, whatever the temperature it is written there, it proves that the particular reaction is takes place under which condition, under what temperature, under which catalysis, whether the heat it is given, and all and so and so on. So did you understand about the balancing of chemical equation? And more information about the equation, physical state is there, conditions are there, understood, even the heat changing is there, exothermic and endothermic reaction. Along with it, we completed. From the next session we are going to start how to verify the chemical equation is balancing or not. Some of the examples I am going to solve on the blackboard. As for your practicing, you will get the habit how to solve the chemical equation. So see you in the next session. Till then, complete everything properly, and it is compulsory to write down the word equation, a chemical equation also, and write down the symbols, whether it is solid, liquid, aqueous and all. Understood? It carries 1 mark specially for the board exam. So see you later.